loves, it's Sam. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some really fabulous picks from Walmart that are going to be perfect for the holiday season, for your entertaining, for home decor, just all the good things. I've got some really great things for like cooking. I've got some good things for like entertaining and just kind of like, you know, tableware setup, that kind of stuff. And then I have some really cute like holiday decor pieces as well. I have partnered up with Walmart for this video, so a huge thank you to them. I'm going to link everything down in the description box below. The next clip you're going to see, I'm going to be in a completely different outfit. I actually started filming this yesterday, and then my TV installation. I have a TV. They showed up so early. They were supposed to be here from like 12 to 4 and they came at like 9:30. So that was like my filming time. So they came right in the middle of me filming. So that's why in the next clip, all of a sudden you're gonna see me in a completely different outfit, different makeup, because I wasn't able to finish my video. I hope that you guys are inspired and find some good things for some great prices. That's what I love about Walmart, is that you can really get some high-end looking things that are just so affordable, and people are gonna think you spent a ton of money, but you didn't. You just gotta fake it till you make it, baby. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy. I will have this look on my TikTok, so I will link that down in the description box below. I've also been doing a couple of Advent beauty calendar openings or unboxings on there, so I'll link those down below as well, so you guys can go check it out. But this look, the face of the day, is actually posted on my TikTok today, so you guys can go. That was my powder. I'm so clumsy today. Everyone's annoying me. You'd think I was on my period, but I'm not. I just finished. If this broke, I'm gonna call it a day. Oh, thank God it didn't. Okay, cool, I can still work. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a fabulous day. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's just at Sam Schuerman, SAMSCHUERMAN. And let's go ahead and get started. Do not ask me where my things have gone, but I have numerous items that I am missing from our move that I still cannot find. They're probably in a tote somewhere. I don't even know where. I've lost so many things, like my zester and my hand mixer. I don't even know like where half my stuff is. It's so annoying. Every single time we move, I lose stuff. So you'd think I'd get the hint and be like, don't move anymore. Sometimes it takes a long time to learn a good lesson, my friends. This is the beautiful 6-speed hand mixer. I love all of the beautiful by Drew Barrymore stuff from Walmart. Not only is it fabulous, it's gorgeous, it's also like they work really good. So this actually comes with a case included, and it comes with a few different attachments. So let's open it up. You need this kind of stuff when you are hosting for all the peeps and you have all the cooking to do. Chances are you're gonna need a hand mixer. Although I would never recommend doing mashed potatoes with a hand mixer, because I tried it once. Literally so creamy, it was disgusting. It was so creamy, it was like a paste. You get the little whiskey whisk, and then you get this little thingy bob or whatever this is. What is this for? Obviously I don't cook enough to know. I mean, obviously I cook, but I've never seen anything like that. So I don't know what that is. And then you get two of, like, this is my typical. I usually use my whisk for hot cocoa for when I make the cream, you know, the heavy whipping cream and the sugar, and you whip it and you make your own lovely cream and it's delicious. What am I trying to say here? What's it called? Whipped cream. Sometimes I worry. You just have this golly, I'm having issues today. This beautiful, it's called beautiful, but it is beautiful. It's like so chic. Like, who is she? She has the chicest, most fabulous what's it ever. Now, how do we store it? This goes on this side like this. Oh my gosh, it all stores in there perfectly with all of your attachments. That is so, my hair is like stuck in there. I trapped it in there, gross. That is so cool, you guys. Okay, so that's a must-have. It's fabulous, it's convenient, and it looks very, very chic. So that's the first one, a potato masher, because I'm not doing those creamy potatoes again. And my kids were like, can you make mashed potatoes for Thanksgiving but not make them creamy like you did last time? And I was like, I lost my potato masher. Don't ask me where it went. What's happening with this light? This is the beautiful potato masher by Drew Barrymore. It's all so cute. Like, you cannot get cuter stuff for the price. Look how cute that is. So I've got all the good holes for mashing all the good potatoes. I also lost my zester. Sad life, my friends. This is the beautiful hand grater. You can do cheese, you can do chocolates, you can do vegetables, all the good things. I usually use a lemon zest or a zester for lemon and lime and all that kind of stuff, but that's what it looks like. It has the cover, good size, looks cute. Next we have like entertaining, appetizers. You've got all the dips, but where do you put them? Look how cute this is. This is by Dave and Jenny Mars for Better Homes and Gardens. And it is this super cute little tray. I'm trying to block my face so that it'll focus. There we go. Look how gorgeous the coloring is. Look how pretty the bowls are. They look like they're cement, like they're that super pretty stoneware. Good size. You could fit salsa, guacamole, some nacho, you know. The dip I like to make, it's chili and then cream cheese, and you mix it all together and it's literally the best. You've got all your dips in here. And then you just need some chips. Seriously obsessed. It just sits on your table all cute. You got your little ball legs. Okay, next we've got candles, because you always want your home to smell nice when you have people coming over, and these do actually make the house smell delicious. So the first one is the salted coconut and mahogany. It's got citrus, herbal, wood, coconut, and vanilla scent notes. Plus it looks really pretty if you have your neutral decor. It smells delicious. It's super warm and cozy. Then we have the blood orange and cinnamon. Such a fun packaging. Oh, it smells so delicious. It's super orangey, kind of has that like fall spice. It's really like citrusy though. It's super delicious. That one is bomb. And then this one is just really beautiful. It's by Dave and Jenny Mars for Better Homes and Gardens. Again, it's like that really beautiful neutral. It's massive. I mean, here's my head. It's huge. It's got lots of burners. The only thing is if you let it go too long, they will melt into it and then you only have a few left. So just keep your eye on it. But this is the white linen. It's very clean. It smells kind of creamy and kind of like, it's like a soft clean scent, but they have numerous ones, but they're different colors. So I got the white linen just because it's the most neutral looking. Okay guys, I'm not sure where I left off because the people came to install our TV. And so I don't remember where I left off as far as the things from Walmart. The next thing that you definitely need are these faux fur pillows from Walmart. These are Better Homes and Gardens. They are so soft and cozy, you guys. They're like a faux fur. They're super soft, super silky material. They're this really pretty, like kind of creamy color. They're just so nice on the couch. They're very soft to lay your head on. So they're really cozy. Like I have pillows that are on there that like, they're boucle or whatever it's called, and Jay doesn't like them because he's like, they're rough, they're uncomfortable, I don't want to put my head on it. So I got these and they are super duper soft and comfortable. Jay approved. Okay, next are these cute little stockings. So these are perfect if you have more neutral decor like I do. They're these faux fur, they have the velvet top, they look like this, and then they've also got the little pom-poms, which is super duper cute. And they're only $12.98. They're by holiday time, and they are just the cutest. They're so adorable. So I absolutely love those, and I love that it has the little hanger as well that's like quite thin, so you can hang it on the hook really easily. And then I got these last year, but they are so cute if you are into the neutral decor. These are little Christmas trees, but they're like pompous, so they're faux pompous. It says Merry Christmas on the basket here. You can adjust these to be, you know, whatever you want them to be. And it's just like a really cute way to have a Christmas tree if you don't want to have like a typical green Christmas tree as far as like decor, because it's all nude and pompous and it's just so pretty. Next we have this cute little set by Sofia Vergara. This is Sophia Home. She has a new home collection, and it is the 20-piece flatware set gold mirror. These spoons are massive, you guys. These are perfect for Thanksgiving when you're hosting and you have everyone coming over, because they are super beautiful, really shiny. That spoon is massive, and it's really beautiful. I think these are gorgeous, and they were not that expensive at all. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you my little placemats here because they're so cute. Like this cute little leaf, which I think is adorable. Again, if you're looking for more of a neutral setup. These are Gap Home. They don't have them in this color anymore, but they have a very similar set to this that I will link if you guys are looking for just a plain white. And then, oh my gosh, let me put my little silverware out and it's gonna look so cute. Look how cute that is. These are so pretty. Oh, this keeps sliding. So I need to get a tablecloth because otherwise this table is gonna get ruined. We decided to keep it. It's gonna be so long before we can get another table that I was just like, oh, whatever. Also, Pampas is such a mess. I'm just gonna say it right now. The amount of times I have to vacuum this up, it gets in all the bowls and everything. So I'll have to wash everything before. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get a tablecloth so that I don't ruin this table. But it's like everything that we want is gonna be like March or April, and I'm just tired of like not having furniture, so we just decided to keep it. Whenever we wanna use it, we'll just put a tablecloth on it, and then when we're not using it, we'll have it like this. So we always just sit at our counter anyway, so it's really not that big of a deal. But that is the cute little setup. This is fun. You can actually kind of like fluff it out a little bit. It's on a wire, like the little individual things are on wires, so you can kind of fluff it out if you need to. I just think it's really pretty. If you're like looking for more neutral stuff, you don't want green or red, this is a really great option. And it's nice and creamy. So there's that. And of course, a command hook. You always need a command hook. Okay guys, so there are all of my picks for the holiday season for your home, whether it's for entertaining or just home decor. I hope that you guys enjoyed and found this helpful. Thank you to you guys for watching. A huge thank you to Walmart for partnering up with me for this video. And everything will be linked in the description box below. Hope you guys all have a fabulous Thanksgiving. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.